Hey guys, Jamie here from Real Steel. Today's video, it's a little bit different. Today we're diving into taking apart the 86 four-wheel drive I built a few years ago. Backstory on the truck, it started out as a two-wheel drive until the motor got weak, and then I got my current daily driver. And then I went ahead and parked this one, and when I came up with an 87 four-wheel drive frame, I rolled that under the body of the two-wheel drive, and I got it running, driving. Then as soon as I did, I traded it to a buddy of mine who really worked it for a while. Unfortunately, he kind of drove it into the ground, so we're going to rebuild it. Now, the reason I kickstarted this project is I traded off one of my other trucks to him, and I needed a better motor for it. And I figured, well, the four-wheel drive motor is the best one I got right now that ran. So, yeah, that's what kickstarted it. And it also, I also kickstarted as well, tore it apart because I'm going to be changing a bunch of things. I've got another motor for it. I've got a manual transmission, and I needed to tear it apart and tear the clip off of it and stuff so I can get to things and make things work, put things together. But anyway, this is a time-lapse video. Like I said, you guys have seen me tear apart Dodge trucks a million times, so I figured, well, why not show it? I was kind of in a rush. I got to get this other truck done and out. So, yeah, that's why I lapsed it. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy it. And the next one, I'm not sure which direction we're going to go, if I'm going to jump back on that truck or if I'm going to jump on getting that Ram Charger running. But we'll see. Heat's starting to take a hold, so yeah, we'll be playing with that as well. But anyway, hope y'all enjoy. right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed that video. Not sure where we're going to restart this project. It might come next. It might not. We're kind of dealing with the heat now. We got out of the rain, and now we're dealing with the heat. So, yeah, we'll just play it all by ear and see what happens. As soon as I get this truck done that I'm working on now, I'll be back on to projects that I can film. But anyway, this is Jamie from Real Steel Auto Works, and we'll catch y'all on the flip side. See ya.